Gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Kawîra Mwangaza nombite Kûthaara kiri URITI NGUGI kiri magavana nthigurune. Kawîra nuatari ari gavana urotongerete kiri URITI NGUGI nthigurune onde athingatiritwa kwini wa Mombasa Abdul Swamad Nasir. Gavana wa Tharaka Nithi Onesmus Muthomi Njuki na agite kanya kiri magavana 20 bara batongerete. Boniface Mongera aturikithiria.
And the best performer according to electorates is Meru County's Governor Kawîra Mwangaza at 53.7% in the first position.
Na Governor wa kaunti ya Meru Kawîra Mwangaza ntukwena atumiritwe kwa namba imwe kiri Governor bonde 47 nthigurune nontu bakulitangwa ibunene mono kagita kameri 8 kuma bakothurwa kulinganayo kambuni ontwile politrack bariwa Gavana Mwangaza kwithirwa akiambire ni rigicane bibingi kumania ndo ile balacho ne msisi babunge kaunti ya Meru akwithirwa akionoka ne thitwitite ngoi mono na gushinda Gavana bonde.
Meru County has made significant strides in ensuring access to clean and safe water, and also that Governor Mwangaza has commissioned drilling of 14 boreholes in areas that were previously facing acute water scarcity. These are just some of the reasons that the electorates gave. Also includes the development infrastructure of a Japanese agency that entered into contract with the county government of Meru by the name Community Road Empowerment, that is KOE, to improve 26 kilometers access roads in various regions. Governor Kawîra Mwangaza also launched the construction of various roads, including 6 kilometers road in Kiagu ward.
Politrack barenderia na gwititubia wikira Gavana Mwangaza namba imwe bariwa kumakiri magavana bonde wenethiri twatongithitio turu bantu banthiguruka na nkia na ikinya mibango iria ikirite ukaberene nionekene kwithira yukiria maisha jao.
She's also committed to improve the healthcare sector and recently flagged off a consignment of drugs worth 53 million for level 4 and level 5 hospitals.
Gavana Mwangaza athingati gavana kumarotero Mombasa Abdul Swamad Sharif are namba 3 ni mwetirite gavana Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata. Gavana wa Isiolo Abdi Ibrahim Guyo amwa gavana rotero Elgeyo Marakwet bwana Wesley Kipigon Rotich po bari bagwata namba 4.
The governors, have a responsibility.
Dhunduro politrack bariwa barabuite kirentu magana jana okire county baranento bonde ngiri 30 gokorokira njire kulingira nto thimo kuma tariki 24 mweri wa 3 mwanga tariki 28 cia mweri muthiru.
Thank you.
Nke
reporter Anto Shauru TV Njuma kumaja kingina ngine kine kimshusho Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.